So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you what to do or how to fix a problem where Instagram Notes does not seem to be working in your Instagram account. Now currently for me, obviously it's working. So as you can see, I have notes and I can add notes and I can see other people's notes. All right. But in case you don't have notes and it's not working on your own Instagram account, here is a couple of things you can do. So first, make sure activity status is enabled. So if you tap on the profile icon and then on your profile page, tap on the three-line button and select settings and privacy. And then scroll down to messages and story replies. Tap on that. And then you should see show activity status. All right. So if you tap on that, make sure this is enabled, because if it's disabled, then that might be the reason you're not seeing or not being able to use Instagram Notes. Now, the other thing you might want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. So you can go to your respective app store. That's the Google Play Store for Android and the Apple App Store for iPhone. Okay. So go to the Instagram. So find the Instagram app in your app store. And if you have a pending update, just go ahead and update the app. And once the update is done, you can now try to relaunch Instagram, and maybe this time you should have notes available to you. So those are basically the two things you can do in case Instagram Notes is not working on your own Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.